Today we're going to remove the latch lower anchors from the factory position where they're stored here. We're going to take them from the storage position to the rear facing use position. So we will unclip on this side, let it drop. We'll come back to the child's other side here, pull it through. We will disconnect here. We're going to pull the soft goods up here at the front of the seat. We'll pull the adjuster webbing out. We're going to take the non-adjuster end, feed it through here under the padding. So we have it through. We're going to take the center adjuster webbing, feed it through, pull the soft goods down, and so now the latch lower anchors are ready for rear facing use.